let's meet the Castellano family. Pat, John, Gail, Phil, and Nicole, ready for action. Playing against the Lewis family. Melody, Melinda, Larry, LaDonna, and Beverly. On your marks. Let's start the Family Feud. With the star of Family Feud, Ray Cole.
Hello, Feud. Hello, Lewis family. Get ready. It's the Castellano family one more time. Welcome all. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very, very much. We don't have time for this enthusiastic welcome. We've got a great game to play. We are looking for a family that might be one of our top 4 money-winning families starting February 12th to be in our Tournament of Champions, where the winner can take it all, potential jackpot of over $100,000. But somebody's going to play for $10,000, but to do that, we've got to play the feud. Let us go. Larry. Larry, baby, the girls are great. Phil, we don't need your commentary.
How can he lose? He's got so much beauty on that side.
Hey, let's go. Show my brother. He's charming you, Larry, then he's going to try to beat you. The first family of $300 will win the game, get a chance to play fast money for the $10,000. Good luck. Here we go. We ask 100 people this question. We've got the top 6 answers on that board. Try to find the most popular answer. Name something you pull up. Talk the big game. Yeah, Larry.
Vegetables.
Show me. You pull up vegetables. Not there. All right, Phil, here's your chance. Name something you pull up.
Your pants.
Show me your pants. Number 1.
Hey class, this is the first video class that we're going to be doing for our flipped classroom. This morning you guys did an activity where we found out how many siblings everybody in the class had, and we worked together in groups to graph that information into graphs. Hopefully you guys have come up with some different graphs, because I know you've been exposed to graphs before in the previous grades. We use graphs to interpret data. Today we're going to be talking about how to organize that data into specific graphs to be able to quickly analyze the data. But before we get started, let's look at a couple of key vocabulary words for this chapter. Okay, so let's take a look at our vocabulary. First word is survey. A survey is a method of gathering information. You saw surveys on Family Feud. That was a survey. They conducted a survey to get the answers that they were competing for. We also did one this morning when we talked about siblings, how many each of us had siblings. That is a survey. You see surveys in a lot of places. Fast food restaurants specifically give out a lot of surveys because they want to get information about how their service was for customers. Next is tally table. A tally table is a table that uses marks in the place of numbers. You'll see there that there is 1 mark under score 1. That means it only occurred 1 time. You'll see under number 6, there is 4 marks with a mark diagonally across those. That is universal number 5. So when you see that particular amount, you can quickly look in your head that that is 5. Categorical data is data that can be sorted into different groups, categories, such as reading, writing, math, as answers to survey of favorite subjects. You'll see there that ball sports played by students. Football had 5 of those soccer balls, and each of those soccer balls was 10 students, so that would be a total of 40 students played football, so on and so forth. That's categorical data, would be the football, basketball, netball, soccer, rugby, and hockey. Numerical data. Numerical data is information that can be counted, numbers. You see there, these are the number of candy bars brought to school. Under 0 candy bars, 1 kid didn't bring any candy bars. 1 kid brought 1 candy bar. 2 kids brought 1 candy bar. And 3 kids brought 3 candy bars. Frequency. Frequency is the number of times a response appears. You see there in this chart, 11 through 15 occurred twice. 16 through 20 occurred 3 times, so on and so forth. Okay, so you've taken a look at your vocabulary, you've watched me get some information from a chart, and now you're going to do what is your homework. So you watched the video, and you're going to do what is called a WSQ, which stands for Watch, Summarize, and Question. You're going to do these in your notebooks, And what I want you to do is you're going to open up to a fresh page in your notebook. You're going to title it, whatever you want to title it so that you can remember. I would say go with maybe 13.1. And what you're going to do is you're going to write a summary. So you're going to write 3 or 4 sentences, you know how this works in a paragraph, about what you learned, about what this video was about. And secondly, you're going to write under question if you have any questions about what you're supposed to do. Hopefully this was pretty easy for you guys, so you won't have very many questions, but if you do, please write all the questions down so that we can go over them in class. And also what you're going to do is underneath the chart where it says watch, you will have your parents initial that you watched the video. That's how you're going to get credit for your homework. Your notebook and your parent's signature on the chart so that I know that you did what you're supposed to do. So that's pretty much it. That's how the videos are going to work. Hopefully they'll go a little bit more smooth because I'm still learning how to edit these videos. But I hope that this is going to help us in learning and that it's a little bit more exciting than just doing homework at home. So since we're in class when you're watching this video, we will go on to what we're going to do for the rest of the day, which is centers. And here we go.